Since 1957, Case has always been a front-runner in the tractor-loader backhoe industry, with best-in-class performances and components, supremely reliable and well-proven technology, and productivity-boosting solutions. Built in Lecce, Italy, the new V-Series make no exception, always keeping customers' real-world challenges at the center. The V-Series range includes models with power ranging from 97 to 110 horsepower, offering no compromise in productivity, profitability, and comfort. Let's see how. The V-Series features a brand new cab, with a completely redesigned interior and exterior style. Operators will be more comfortable and consequently more productive in the ample space and with the many features developed to improve life on board. The front and left console have been designed to grant superior and easy accessibility into the cab. Once inside, the operator will easily find the perfect working position, thanks to a complete set of adjustments for the king-class seat. Feet and knee clearance, when swiveling from loader to backhoe position and vice versa, have also been greatly improved. Now even the tallest operators will be able to rotate the seat with maximum comfort. The machine also features best-in-class storage capacity. The operator will find plenty of space to store their items and keep them protected, including 2 lockable compartments, one of which is refrigerated, 2 bottle cup holders and 4 open trays. The wiper tank has been conveniently positioned close to the left door, so it can be easily refilled even from the ground. The right-hand pillar has been redesigned. Commonly used features can be easily reached when seating both in loader and backhoe position, from the air conditioning controls to the brand new Bluetooth radio. A cell phone holder has also been integrated into the right-hand pillar. And the phone can be recharged using the USB port on the side of the instrument cluster. There is also a new loader joystick, with the forward and reverse switch that can be activated or deactivated with a dedicated button. The front console provides superior visibility on the loader arm, and can also be equipped with a speedometer. Visibility on the rear has been greatly improved by the new additional rear side glasses, so, even in the most challenging situations, the operator will benefit from an excellent 360 degrees visibility. Serviceability has never been so easy. The front tilting engine hood and the perfect layout of the components enable fast routine maintenance operations. All the main checkpoints, such as oils and filters or the battery switch, are easily accessible from the ground. All fuses and relays are comfortably located within easy reach, even when standing outside the cab. The V-Series are equipped with the proven FPT engine that delivers high performance and reliability, with low maintenance costs. With this engine and the outstanding driveline, you can always count on best-in-class power, traction, and torque density on any terrain. The Case 695V model allows the operator to easily select 3 different steering modes: 2-wheel steering, road steer for standard operation, 4-wheel steering for restricted areas, and crab steer for agile and fast operations. This will ensure great versatility and outstanding maneuverability on every job site. Loading operations and cycles will be faster than ever. And the return to dig function significantly reduces the operator effort. Auto ride control reduces loader arm bounce during travel, ensuring maximum material retention on all surfaces. When it comes to productivity, the backhoe is key, and with the powerful Case DNA, operations are protected even in the most demanding working environments. The exclusive outer EXTENDAHOE ensures that all components in contact with the soil are protected against impact and material accumulation. On top of this, our EXTENDAHOE allows to integrate a hydraulic quick coupler, and this means no deterioration in performances, whatever attachment you want to use. Our inline cylinder layout ensures perfect visibility across the boom, and high resistance, by distributing the stress along the entire boom. Its EXTENDAHOE is lighter at the tip of the arm for faster operations. Case provides solutions to all your needs. With the hydraulic side shift, the operator just needs to press a button to slide the backhoe on the H-frame, with ease. The V-Series of Case backhoe loaders will meet your highest expectations. It is a top-class product in terms of comfort, productivity, and reliability. Because you deserve to work like a king.